Okay, so I didn't really film a lot of this, just because it's kind of boring and painting. You guys get the concept of that. But so today I only had about 2 hours. It was 60 degrees, beautiful. So I ended up painting my strut bar. I ended up going with a nice black, and it came out so much better than I thought, truly. Because those spats came out absolutely fucking abysmal. Besides the point, we learned and we got better. So the strut bar looks amazing. Painted it, and we're gonna throw it on the car here soon. And we also started sanding down our front crash bar. I'm gonna get that painted up. Probably just gonna do black, or I might do a silver to match the wheels. I'm not sure. The paint can that I have that was silver fucking broke, dude. It's snapped, and yeah, I don't have another top. It's like a pin top, so yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of upset about that, but it's okay. So tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and get this pulled off, painted, and the only thing left to paint on this fucking car is this back here, and I'm truly just not concerned with it right now. That's the last thing. So yeah, sorry I didn't go ahead and film this, but honestly it's kind of boring filler anyways, so we're just gonna go ahead and throw this on the car. So we have to pull this bar off, but we have the strut bar. It's the next day, but we have this on, and I love it. I think it looks good. I think I'm gonna do like a sticker or something on it right here. But what pisses me off, bro, what is that? How did that even get there? I have to polish it out, so I think I was gonna sand it down with like 1200 grit wet sand, and throw like a coat of polish on it so it will get this out a little bit. Where the hell did that even come from? I don't even understand, like, what even would do that. Like, I swear to God, every time I paint or try to paint something, it just like goes horribly. But yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's all good. It's on. It's subtle. It looks good from 10 feet. So now I have to pull this off. I already sanded most of it down on the car. It was just easier, but yeah. Pull that off. I have to change this as well. But one thing at a time, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna get to pulling this front bar off. Move this back a little bit. And the whole car needs to be clean, polished. It's a mess. So yeah, one step at a time. We got the front bar off. It's actually 100 times quicker getting this bash bar off than the OEM stock one. So much better. It's literally 4 bolts on the top and then 2 on the bottom. It's so easy. So I'm gonna sand the rest of that down, clean up a lot of the front end, And then I'm not going to wet sand this bar today. I'm going to give it another 24 hours to dry. Then I'm going to wet sand. We're going to get on this because it's early, and then hopefully we could kind of slip this back onto the car. The only thing I care about staying intact is this front piece. I mean, if these get a little ding on the side, you'll never see them. So I'm not too concerned. So, yeah. Easy. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. All right. 2 coats of primer on. And it looks so much better than anything else I've painted. So that's a start. We just have to make sure everything else goes smooth on this. We don't fuck it up. But it looks good. It looks good. There's no red. Everything is good. Should take our time and not screw this up. All right, so it's painted and cleared. I think it looks amazing. There are some spots where it's like pretty faint. I didn't hit it with the 3 coats. It kind of got 2, 1.5. Like there's just some spots towards the end that you aren't gonna see, like back behind, but the actual what you're gonna see looks amazing, and it's all cleared. I think it turned out very well. I have no complaints. Now over here, yeah, I'm gonna leave this how it is, but you can still see it right there. I sanded it down with 1200, went back over it, painted, cleared, but I don't know what that is. It didn't show up when I sanded it down, but it looks a lot better. I'll keep it how it is, throw some polish on it, and then I honestly think I want to switch back to this color here. This color is insane, honestly, and I think that would look amazing on this front bar. But I am out of paint. I ran out. One of those small cans. I have another can here, but the top broke. So I'm gonna try to switch them and then maybe paint that front bar again. All right, so we're repainting the strut bar. There's a couple of spots right here that need to be sanded. All throughout here that need to be sanded. But this came out amazing. It's drying, and then we're gonna throw that back on the car. I should have just went with the gray, or this like gray to match the wheels with the strut bar ahead of time. I don't know why I didn't, but yeah, it's gonna turn out amazing. Definitely some prep work that needs to be done on it. Now that I know, I mean, this is the 4th, 5th thing I painted, so I'm getting the hang of it slowly but surely. We're getting there. I think I'm gonna throw that on the car. I'm redoing this, and I'm gonna redo my front spats. It should be good. Probably not gonna film all that because, boring, but hopefully in the next clip we'll be throwing everything back on the car. Okay, turning out pretty decent. There's still some iffy stuff about it, but you know what, it's fine. It looks a lot better than the black. And we have a V bar on, front crash bar. I think that looks super smooth. Looks really good. So yeah, it's a little bit lighter than the wheels, but honestly I'm fine with that. Excuse me. It looks fucking good. Fuck painting. I still have my rear brakes to do and that rear bar, which I'm probably not going to film. I'm just going to do, but that's the color that I've chosen, and it looks fucking great. Honestly, I'm very happy with it. Very happy with it. Everything is bolted up. Let me know what you guys think about the color. I think it matches perfectly. The level of defeat I can't even begin to describe. Yeah, so it looks good, right? Oh my gosh, man, I could, if there's no video in the next couple weeks because I'm throwing myself off the Empire State Building. I am so defeated. I don't even know how that happened. I don't even know what could have done that. To say I'm defeated, upset, broken is an understatement. But we'll move on. That's for another day. I went back over it. Oh man, I don't even know what would cause that. But it's okay. We're just gonna keep trucking. It's bolted up. I'm gonna bolt everything back on. And we're gonna forget about it. Maybe I could get a nice sticker. I might just have my buddy paint it and just pay the money. I was trying to see if I could save some dollars and do it, and I might just give him that to paint, honestly, and this rear bar to paint, because I can't physically take it anymore. I feel my sanity stripping away trying to paint. I hated every second of this, and I should have just stayed with everything being red. That would have been just the move. But you know what? I just got the Brembos painted before I put them together. But you know what? I'm an idiot. And I like to just cause issues with myself. But it looks good. It really looks good. The colors look good. The headlights look good now. You know, I might give them these two to repaint, and just say, please help me. And he'll help me. He'll look out. It'll all be good. Everything will be fine. I'm gonna get rid of that red. Get rid of this banner. Let me get some tints on the car. And I think that's it. Yeah. And then we can finally just drive this thing, because the weather is nice. So yeah, that's the plan. That's what we're doing. I think all that's left to do for this is to top off the coolant and do an oil change. Oh, and fix that red there. But other than that, we should be good. So yeah, if you enjoyed the pain and suffering, please let me know. If there's any other modifications you want to see done that's not going to break my budget, please let me know. I mean, we pretty much have all front and rear control arms and bushings done. The only thing we don't have is the front brace. And that's about it. If there's anything else you think the car needs, let me know, please. Because that's pretty much all I want to do right now. I don't want to do any more. I mean, we're pretty much maxed out on what this motor can take as far as performance modifications. I mean, we hit 425 wheel, and we're really pushing that. We have the pump, the injectors, the turbo kit, the dual catch can setup. We did, I could make like a custom intake, I guess, but we really just don't have any room. We could do, I don't know. Yeah, it's for you guys to let me know, because we pretty much have everything to make like next to max block power. I could push it more if I needed to, but I don't. And yeah, I mean, we could do some interior stuff, but we have Recaros, so it's like I don't want to do a seat upgrade, because The only other seats I would want is pole positions, but I really don't feel like spending $2,000 for a single seat and $4,000 for a dual. We have the carbon wheel. I mean, other than that, I mean, we have the OEM shift knob, but I like the way that feels. Full exhaust. I mean, everything is done to this car. There's nothing really else besides like cosmetic that's left. So if you guys have any ideas, you know, let me know. I still need to do the block off plate for this brake booster. I mean, that's the only modification that I have left. So we can get rid of this right here. It's just a plate. And then from the booster, we could run like a line, like teeing off like the map tap, or we could run a tee coming off of this guy right here. But, you know, I don't really have anything else that I want to do, like power wise. So if you guys think of something, let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and screw on my headlights, but that's pretty much it for the video. Appreciate you guys for stopping by, always liking, always watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. That's either gonna be new headlight video, or if this goes before that, you know what I mean, I don't know, but I'm gonna put out a headlight video too. That's about it. So yeah, peace out.